Have you ever bought anything like this or any product which didn't last what you expected?
Maybe a cell phone, but they do it in different ways because they want you to renovate your cell phone because they tell you that the hardware is obsolete or they tell you that the software is obsolete.
Why do we buy these products? What motivates us to buy these kind of products if we know that they don't work the way they should?
The media is asking us to have a, um, a cell phone and a new console to play video games. I could use a common cell phone to receive messages and make calls, but right now I use or everybody use a lot of apps.
How important it is to wear something new?
I think it's by the society because, for example, in my school, in the events or parties, yeah, all boys and girls are like with good words, good clothes, and I think it's because of the or are two options because of the you're like you want to have a good position standard or in the society, and that's the other part. By the way, you, for example, a girl, if you like a boy, to like the expression, the first impression, and yeah, I think that's the two ways the people use the fashion or not.